The waterfall and agile models are two distinct approaches to software development, each with its own methodologies, strengths, and weaknesses. Waterfall model is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. The typical phases include requirement analysis. It is to gather all requirements. Second, system design. It is for creating architectural and detailed design. Next is implementation. It is for coding and unit testing. The fourth is the integration and testing. It is for verifying the components to work together. Number 5 is deployment. It is releasing the software to user. Number 6, maintenance and addressing bugs and making improvements.
Next is strength of the waterfall model. A clear structure, each phase will define the making it easier to manage and document. Next is predictability. Since requirements are set upfront, timeless, timelineless, and budgets and are more predictable. The next is good for large project. It works well for projects with well-defined scope and requirements. Next is easier to manage because everything is planned in advance. Project management is more straightforward. Next is weaknesses of waterfall model. Inflexibility. Once a phase is completed, revisiting it costly and time-consuming. The next is slow adaptation to changes. Requirements cannot easily be changed once development starts. The next is late testing. Errors are often discovered late in the process, increasing the cost fixing them. The next is not ideal for uncertain requirements, where if customer needs are unclear, this model struggles to accommodate changes.
So next is the agile model. It is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. Agile following principles from Agile Manifesto, emphasizing collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. So there are key agile methodologies. First is the Scrum. It focuses on the short sprints, 1 to 4 weeks, with regular reviews. Next is Kanban. Uses a visual board to track progress and workflow. Next is the Extreme Programming, or the XP. It prioritizes high-quality coding and frequent testing.
Next is strengths of agile model. Flexibility. Agiles allow for changes in requirements throughout the project. Next is faster delivery, where frequent iterations means that working software is delivered faster. Next is customer collaboration, where continuous feedback ensures that the product meets user expectations. The next is early bug detection. Continuous testing helps to identify and fix bugs early in development. Next is better risk management. Since Agile adapts quickly, risk can be mitigated for more effectively.
Next is the weaknesses of the Agile model. First, it requires close collaboration. Agile teams need to constant communication, which can be challenging. Next is difficult to predict and cost and time, because requirements evolve. Budgeting and scheduling are harder to estimate. Next is the not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure. It is for managing large teams, and projects can be chaotic if Agile is not implemented properly. Next is dependency on skilled teams. Agile requires experienced developers and active customers' participation.
Okay, next is comparison table, where waterfall versus agile. Okay, waterfall model is sequential and structured, while the agile model is iterative and flexible. Their features are approach. Then next is the waterfall model is low, then the agile model is high. Then their feature is flexibility. Then minimal mainly at the start for waterfall model, then continuous feedback and collaboration for agile model. Then their feature is for customers. Then next is difficult and costly for waterfall models. while Agile model is easily and adaptable. Then their features is change management. Next is works best for large for waterfall model. Then Agile model is ideal for small to medium size evolving projects faster. Then their features is project size, suitability, time to market. Then next is done after development is complete for waterfall model, then while Agile model is continuous throughout development. Then their features are testing phase. Then the last is for waterfall model is high risk due to late stage testing, while the Agile model is lower risk due to frequent iteration. Then their features is risk management.
Conclusion. Use waterfall if the project has well-defined requirements, minimal expected changes, and clear timelines. Next is use Agile if the project requires continuous updates, user feedback, and rapid delivery of working features.
That's all.
That's all. Thank you.